This is Miss Jess from the Pequannock Library, and this week we are learning about snakes. So today I will be reading a few books that have snakes in them, and then on Friday, Miss Valerie will release her video that will teach you about snakes, and there will be a little science experiment and some craft type stuff. So make sure starting Friday you come to pick up your snake steam kit. So let's read some stories. The first one I have is We Beasties. Huggy the python hugs too hard. So pythons squeeze things with their tails, with their whole bodies, because they don't have hands. So let's see what happens when Huggy the python hugs things a little too hard. This is Huggy the python. Check out his little hat and his scarf. He is so fancy. Huggy loves to hug the things he loves. That was a little tongue twister. So anything he loves, he hugs it. He hugs it tight. Let's see, can we do a hug? Nice tight hug. Okay, you're ready. But sometimes Huggy hugs too hard. Look, Huggy, a balloon. Huggy loves balloons. What would happen if Huggy hugged that balloon? If he hugged it, what would happen to the balloon? Let's find out. Gentle, gentle, pop! Oh no! Oops! You hugged too hard, Huggy. Oh no, poor Huggy. He just wanted to love his balloon. He looks so sad. Look, Huggy, ice cream. Huggy loves ice cream. Give a hug. What would happen if Huggy hugged all this ice cream? Let's find out. Gentle, gentle, squish. Oh no, look, it got all over the place. Oops, you hugged too hard, Huggy. What a mess. His face. Look, Huggy, a fuzzy little dog. Huggy loves fuzzy little dogs. Hug, 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 hug. What would happen if he hugged this dog a little too hard? The doggy looks like he wants a hug. I'm a little worried to see what happens. Wait, can you show Huggy how to be gentle? Oh, let's show him how to be gentle. A nice, gentle hug, not too much squeezing. Give the little fuzzy dog a gentle little hug. He did, hello, I'm ready for my hug. Let's see if it worked. You did it, yay! That was a great, gentle hug. Oh, Huggy's so happy, and I am so happy. I was worried for that puppy. Your turn, Huggy. Remember, hug a gentle hug. Here we go, they're gonna try. He looks a little nervous. Phew! Just right, Huggy. Yay. The end. What's that at the end there? Looks like he's got some toothpaste or something and he squeezed it too tight. Squish. So if you love something or somebody, you can give them a hug, but don't hug them too tight. That's the moral of the story. Okay. Now I have kind of like a search and find, so you're gonna have to help me with this because there's a little pink worm here and he is gonna be hiding, and it's called Where Are You? He's very good at hiding, so I'm gonna need your help. Where are you? Where is that little pink worm? Can you see him? In the grass, that's right here. Okay, I started you off easy. We're gonna get a little harder now. Where is our little pink worm friend? I'll give you a hint. He's standing straight up tall. Do you see him? Right there. Whoa, that was hard. On the boat. Ready for the next one? Where's our little friend? Where is he? Do you see him? Right there, under the lily pad. He kind of looks like a snail. He's a good hider. I'm looking. Do you see him? I see part of him. Psst. I'm with the fish. I wonder where he's going. Where? Where is he? Looks like he's going somewhere else. Do you see him? I see his little tail. Follow the path past the bird. Shh. He's being sneaky. And now? Now where is he? Down here. He's driving the tow truck. I don't see you. Where is that worm? Do you see him? This one's tricky. You can see him all the way across through all the little windows of the plane. He's driving the plane. Which way did you go? Do you see him? Can you find him? Where is he? Oh, there he is, through the meadow. He's really good at this. Now where is he? I see some ducks. Quack, 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 quack. Oh, I see him. Do you see him? Right there. He's going somewhere again. He's always on the... Whoa, this one's hard. I'm on the way. Can you find him? He looks like he's gonna be running around and around in circles. That's gonna get dizzy. See him? He's right on the wheel there. Wow, that was a good hiding place. Now where is he? Oh, he's going up. He's going up. Do you see him? He's right here. Up the light post by the tree. Oh, there you are. You found me. There he is. Wow, that was tricky, but you guys did a great job. Okay, I have one more book. I'm gonna switch the camera around and we're gonna read it together because it's a lift the flap, so it's gonna be super fun. So let's try that out. I saw Anaconda. This is a lift the flap story. I saw Anaconda swallow a tick. It made her tummy hop and kick. Will she be sick? I saw Anaconda swallow a skink. It slid down her throat before I could blink. She swallowed the skink to catch the tick. It made her tummy hop and kick. Will she be sick? She looks like she's getting a little sick. I saw Anaconda swallow a frog. Fresh from the bog, still on his log. She swallowed the frog to catch the skink. She swallowed the skink to catch the tick. It made her tummy hop and kick. Will she be sick? Her tummy's getting kind of full. I saw Anaconda swallow a piranha. Its toothy grin did not alarm her. She swallowed the piranha to catch the frog. She swallowed the frog to catch the skink. She swallowed the skink to catch the tick. It made her tummy hop and kick. Will she be sick? Oh man, look at all that stuff in there. I saw Anaconda swallow a stork. There it is in there. She gobbled him up with no knife or fork. She swallowed the stork to catch the piranha. She swallowed the piranha to catch the frog. She swallowed the frog to catch the skink. She swallowed the skink to catch the tick. It made her tummy hop and kick. Will she be sick? Whoa! I saw Anaconda swallow a gator. She snuck up beside her and then she ate her. She swallowed the gator to catch the stork. She swallowed the stork to catch the piranha. She swallowed the piranha to catch the frog. She swallowed the frog to catch the skink. She swallowed the skink to catch the tick. It made her tummy hop and kick. Will she be sick? And then Anaconda swallowed me. Now I'm inside her where I can't see. She swallowed me to catch the gator. She swallowed the gator to catch the stork. She swallowed the stork to catch the piranha. She swallowed the piranha to catch the frog. She swallowed the frog to catch the skink. She swallowed the skink to catch the tick, which made her tummy hop and kick. Oh boy, She does not look happy. Whoa! Then she was sick. Ick. Bleh. Everything came out. The tick, the skink, the little boy, the frog. Everything came out. That's gross. The end. That was I Saw Anaconda. Thank you for reading snake books with me. Please come and check them out at the library and make sure you come on Friday to get your snake steam kit.